Hello everyone, I am Himanshi from class 12. Today I am going to discuss with you whether aliens exist or not. So let's start. Is there life beyond Earth? We don't know for sure. We can't say yes definitely, but the probability is very high. There are around 200 billion stars in our galaxy and 100 billion plus galaxies in the universe and around 33 billion potential Earth-sized planets. Not all of them are going to be able to have life, but the probability is getting high already at this stage. There are many scientists and space researchers who discuss about the question, do aliens exist? Britain's first female astronaut Helen Sherman has said that aliens exist definitely, and it's possible that they are living among us on Earth but have gone undetected so far. She visited the Soviet Mir space station in 1991 and told the Observer newspaper that aliens exist. There's no two way about it. It's not just Helen Sherman who discussed about this, but also Haim Eshed who discussed about the same question. In his interview with an Israeli newspaper, he said that aliens not only exist but have also made contact with humanity. These are the words of a man who was the head of Israel's space security program for nearly 30 years. And if aliens do exist, it is going to be a long time before we get to know that aliens exist for certain.
Everyone, I am Manisha from 12th class Navjyoti Public School. Today I tell you an interesting topic of science, that how aeroplanes are stay in the sky. अब सभी ने कभी ना कभी तो सोचा होगा कि जो प्लेन है वो एयर में एग्जिट कैसे करता है, यानी ग्रेविटी तो हर जगह है बट फिर भी जो प्लेन है वो अर्थ से नीचे फॉल डाउन क्यों नहीं होता। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड। प्लेन की जो विंग्स होते हैं वो एरोडायनामिक डिजाइन के होते हैं, यानी कि जब प्लेन की स्पीड हाई होती है तब विंग्स के अपर पार्ट पर लोअर प्रेशर और लोअर पार्ट पर हायर प्रेशर। बाय दिस प्रेशर डिफरेंस लिफ्ट फोर्स इज जनरेटेड एंड दिस लिफ्ट फोर्स इज अपोजिट ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एंड देन प्लेन मूव्स इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन and plane moves in forward direction by thrust force, and this thrust force is opposite of drag force, and drag force is generated by when the plane in very high speed and the air particle collide with each other, and this make the plane pushes back. But this is not happen because against drag force there is a thrust force, and this thrust force is generated by plane engine. Thank you.
Hey guys, I am Aarti from 12th standard. Today I am here to discuss about why do we dream. Basically, dream occur when our brain is processing information, eliminating the unnecessary stuff and moving important short-term memory into our long-term memory. So people who recall dreams may have a difference in their ability to memorize things in general. Dreams mainly occur in the REM, means rapid eye movement. Rapid eye movement is the stage of sleep when brain activity is high and resembles that of being awake. Rapid eye movement sleep is reliable by continuous movement of eye during sleep. At many times, dreams may occur during other stages of sleep. Dreams are so important because it has been suggested that dreams could be crucial to our emotion and mental health and can be a mean by which we solve problems, deals with emotion and thought. It is thought that dreams play an important role in providing us with the ability to function psychologically. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vidika from 12th class. Today I am discussing about why the color of the ocean is blue. The ocean is blue because water absorbs color in the red part of the light spectrum. The ocean may also take on red, green or other use of light bouncing off floating sediments particles in the water. So when white light from the sun enters the ocean, it is mostly the blue that get returned. So the color of the ocean is blue.
Hello guys, my name is Shubham from 12th A1 class Navjyoti School Pithavas. My topic for the project is how to make electricity. We know that we are having various methods to make electricity, like among resources, coal, natural gas, generate electricity by combustion, nuclear fusion, and by the help of dams. So my question for the project is how to make electricity by dam. So guys, my question is how electricity formed from the help of dams. In the river, we know that turbines are adjusted for making the electricity. Due to the flow of water, turbines moves, and due to the moving of turbine, coils start moving, which is present in magnetic field. टर्बाइंस के घूमने की वजह से उसके अंदर के जो कोइल्स होते हैं वो मूव होते moves the electricity formed and electricity stored in generator. So by this electricity formed from the dams.
Hello, I am Muskan. I want to tell a scientific fact about Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is made up of iron. Its actual height is 324 meter. Its height increased to 6 meter in summer, and its height comes to actual height by the coming of winter. Here the question arises that why does the Eiffel Tower increase its height in summer? Reason is when the sun ray fall on the Eiffel Tower in summer, it is expanded due to thermal expansion of metal. The tower grow up 6 meter in summer. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, I am Eklavya from 12th A1 class. Today I want to discuss about the topic why the sky is blue. This question might look different at first. However, the physics behind them is not difficult at all. There are two things that play an important role in giving the color of the sky. One is the atmosphere and the other is the sunlight, of course. So we need to know more about these two first. The white light coming from the sun is a mixture of 7 primary colors, and each color has a corresponding frequency and wavelength associated with it. The violet color has the shortest wavelength and the red color has the largest wavelength. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of water droplets, water vapors and dust particles and many other things, etc. First, let's see what happens when the sunlight falls on these air molecules. The sunlight that reaches the Earth's atmosphere is scattered in all directions by the gases and dust particles present in the atmosphere. Scattering is a process in which the light is absorbed by the atoms and re-emitted back in various directions of the Earth. Among the 7 colors of sunlight, which one will be the scattered the most? Yes, the light of the color corresponding the smallest wavelength will be scattered the most. So, blue light, indigo light, violet light scattered the most because they have the smallest wavelength. But wait, the violet light has the smallest wavelength. Then why does not the sky appear violet or even indigo? It is true that the sky scattered the violet light more than the blue light. However, we do not see violet sky, do we? But the reason as the sun emits more blue and bluish light compared to the violet light. Hence, more blue light is scattered by the air molecules, resulting in the blue color of the sky. And the another reason why we cannot see violet light is because our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than the violet light. So, these are the reasons why the sky looks blue. I hope you all like it and understand it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lalit from 12th Heaven class. Today I am here to discuss why do we dream. Dreams are hallucinations that occur during certain stages of sleep. Much is known about the role of sleep in regularity, our metabolism, blood pressure, brain function and other aspects of health. But it has been harder for researchers to explain the role of dreams. When you are awake, your thoughts have a certain logic to them. But when you sleep, your brain is still active, but your thoughts or dreams often make little or no sense. This may be because of the emotional centers of the brain trigger dreams. Dreams are usually autobiographical thoughts based on your recent activities or other issues in your life. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Deepika of class 12th A1 Science from Nojoti Public School. Today I am going to share an interesting fact about our solar system. We all know that our solar system contains 8 planets which revolve around the sun. But do you ever wonder about how they are rotate and about their rotations different from each other? Let's not make it more complicated. I will tell you about it. We all know that sun rises from the east, and we all studied about it in our early classes. But there is a planet in our solar system where the theory changes. None other than our Earth's sister planet Venus. Venus rotates anti-clockwise, which is different from the other ones. Many theories are not able to explain the reason. Some of them states that may be the reason or may not be. And at the end, our today's question is, what do you think the main reason or the actual reason behind the rotation of the Venus?
Topic about the science fact. The science fact is why ocean is blue. The ocean is blue because water absorbs colors in the red part of a light spectrum like a filter. This leaves behind color in the blue part of a light spectrum for us to see. The ocean may also take on a green, red or other hues as light bounces off a floating segments and particles in the water. The ocean is blue of the way it observes sunlight. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, when sunlight hits the ocean, the water strongly absorbs the long wavelength color at the red end of the light spectrum, as well as short wavelength light, including violet and ultraviolet. The remaining light that we can see is mostly made of a blue wavelength. However, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration note the ocean may take other hues, including red and green, if light bounces off the object floating near the surface of water, such as segment in the algae. Just how blue the water is depend on how much of it available to the absorb of the light. For instance, water is in a glass is clear. There are not enough water molecule to really absorb the light. But ocean water appear bluer the farther you travel down the water column. The water molecule absorb infrared, red and violet, ultraviolet light first on the yellow, green and violet color. Blue, the light is absorbed the least, given it greatest ocean penetration depth according to NASA. This fact is clearly if you look at the Antarctic and underwater photos. They were not taken with a camera flash and the another artificial light sources. Even the most variant tropically fish look are blue. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek from class 12th, A2 section on the topic of where do birds migrate or goes in winter. On the topic, my views are migration means traveling of birds from one place to another place, and it is very important for every bird, those who have lived in a critical condition or any bad condition, migrates into a safe place. It provides him better condition. Migration mostly take from very cold area or very hot area birds to a normal area birds. Mostly 40% birds migrates into the world, and 71 kilometer birds travels. This V-shape like structure birds make when they are fly. This structure provide him for retain their energy and do not lose their energy, and V shape, and by this shape aeroplane made this shape for cross section of air. And my and so and for this, and you also help the birds by putting water into pot for summer.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi from 12th standard. Here I am discuss about the why do we dreams. हम सपने क्यों लेते हैं? So let's start the video. Now our first question is why do we dreams? Dreams are mental experience that occur while we are asleep. These are the series of thoughts, visions or feelings that happen during sleep. So now Sakshi from 12th standard. Here I am discuss about the why do we dreams. हम सपने क्यों लेते हैं? So let's start the video. Now our first question is why do we dreams? Dreams are mental experience that occur while we are asleep. These are the series of thoughts, visions or feelings that happen during sleep. So now here are some questions related to dreams. First question is dreaming good or bad? क्या सपने हमारे लिए बुरे हैं या अच्छे हैं? Dream is a normal part of healthy sleep. It is good for some and bad for some. So the next question is, can we die in dreams? क्या हम सपनों में मर जाते हैं? Dreams are key part of sleep. Death in dream may symbolize the end of something and the beginning of something new. Next question, do blind people dream? Yes, blind people dream too. Another question, do dreams really mean anything? The theory states that dreams don't actually mean anything. So I hope you understand. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Hitesh from class 12 non-medical. Today we will discuss a topic on why do we feel sick. Feeling sick. Whenever the normal working of our body system get disturbed and we feel sick. It can happen when a bacteria, virus, etc. enter our body or because of unhealthy living practices like lack of exercise or intake of drugs, excessive sugar or salts. There are two major kind of disease: infectious disease, non-infectious disease. Infectious disease are caused by pathogens such as bacteria, virus, fungi and parasites entering the body through the air we breathe, the food and drink we consume through the opening in skins such as cuts. Example, through cough and sneezing, a person can spread the cold virus to another. Second, non-infectious diseases are caused by confluence of factors including the environment, a person's lifestyle choice and genetics. Example, heart disease may caused by sedentary lifestyles and a poor diet, or it may caused by family history of disease. Precautions for sickness. Your bedsheet and are breeding ground of dust mites. They can live, die and reproduce
on your beds, as they can affect your allergies and lower your immune system. So, wash your sheets at least once a week in hot and soapy water. Second, light switches. Once a week, give your light switch a quick swipe with antibacterial wipe. Smartphones. Most of the time, your phone goes whenever you go, including the bathroom. Then it touches your hands and your face on daily basis. So, keep your antibacterial wipes in your nightstands and give your phone a quick clean before bed. Difference between healthy and disease free. Healthy, it is state of physical, mental and social well-being, but disease free, it is a state absence from disease. Second, it refers to individual physical and social environment. It refers only the individual. The individual has good health. The individual may have good or poor health. Thanks.